The Publicity Department of the Communist Party of China, CPC, Central Committee on Thursday released a key publication on the party's mission and contributions. The document, titled The CPC, Its Mission and Contributions, stressed that over the past 100 years, all the struggles, sacrifices and efforts made by the CPC and by the Chinese people under its leadership have been directed to one goal, the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation.
深刻阐释党的治国理政理念、实践和成就。通过这部文献，可以更好地了解中国共产党从哪里来，到哪里去，可以更加深入地了解中国共产党是一个什么样的政党。
The document also pointed out that the CPC is dedicated to the people and forever puts their interests first. It said the CPC follows the underlying trends of social development and respects the people's principal role in making history.